How to like a story from a highlight on Instagram. Welcome! In today's guide, we're diving into a simple yet often overlooked feature on Instagram: how to like a story from a highlight. Whether you want to engage with your favorite creators or show appreciation to your friends, this step-by-step guide will make it easy. Let's get started. Step 1. Open the Instagram app. Launch the Instagram app on your mobile device. Ensure you're logged into your account to access all its features seamlessly. Step 2. Visit the user's profile. Navigate to the profile of the user whose story highlight you want to like. You can do this by searching for their username in the search bar, or clicking on their profile directly from your feed. Step 3. Locate the highlight section. Once you're on their profile page, scroll down slightly to find the highlight section. These are the circular icons just below their bio, showcasing saved stories they featured. Step 4. Select a highlight. Tap on the highlight that interests you. This will open a collection of stories the user has saved. Scroll through the stories within the highlight to find one that catches your attention. Step 5. Like the story. Once you've found the story you want to engage with, tap on the heart icon at the bottom of the screen. This action will instantly send a like to the user, and they'll be notified of your appreciation. Why it matters. Engaging with highlights is a great way to show your support for friends or creators. Foster stronger connections on social media. Enhance your overall Instagram experience by actively engaging with content. And that's it. Liking a story from a highlight on Instagram is quick, easy, and a meaningful way to interact with others. By following these steps, you're not only engaging with content but also building relationships on social media. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to share it with friends who might also want to explore Instagram highlights. And as always, happy Instagramming! Thank you for tuning in. See you next time.